So hello everyone, today I have a new challenge for you and the title is What's Wrong with My Deprecated Method. Let's go with the coding part. Here, for example, I have an interface which has three methods and one of them is deprecated, annotated with deprecated. So the question for today is what is wrong with this code? Pause the video if you want, just look at it again and decide. And here are also the possible answers to it. So I encourage you guys to pause the video, think about it, and I will tell which one is the correct answer. So the correct answer here is D. So nothing is wrong with this code, it will run without any problems. You can see the code again. And the reason behind it is that there is like no problem with this code, because if you run this code, there will be no such kind of runtime or compile error. But the correct syntax to define this deprecated method and always recommended way is to comment out, like define why is this method deprecated at the first place and what is the alternative of using this method, other alternatives. So for example, here we have commented out why this method is deprecated and reason is also provided. And we also provided the alternatives of using this method, like service 2 and service order by service 2 and order by service 3 are alternatives of using this deprecated method. And here are also quick notes for you guys to remember. So as I mentioned, that we are encouraged and it is a recommended way to specify the reason of our defined deprecated method. And we should also mention what we should use instead of it. And also a quick note here that it's not a mistake not to define the comment why it's deprecated and the alternatives, because you won't get any error if you run this code. It will run fine, there will be no runtime, no compilers, but it is a recommended way, because by defining this deprecated method, you are specifying the reasons for other developers to see why you deprecated that method in the first place. If, for example, someone new joins in the team and so on, and he or she wants to determine why this method deprecated, so he or she could just read the comment and that's all. And also here are the things that you learned today. So about the deprecated method, you know that we should provide the reason and alternatives every time we specify annotate a method we deprecated. And also you should remember that it's not mandatory, but it is just a recommended way, because the code will run fine, there will not be any problems. And also one note, you guys might be asked this on interview, so be careful, this is a tricky one, so remember. And so yeah, that was all about this video. Wish you luck guys, and review the tests also.